The smartest impala you will ever see. Wait for it. Guys, I am Zorro, and today I'm going to show you some of the rarest sights from nature, and I hope that this video will brighten your day and put a smile on your face. Alright, let's start. A strong bear climbing a cliff at an incredible speed.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as boy. I'm fast as boy. Still fast as boy. Come get some. Do you have any idea how fast I am? I'm fast as boy.
A waterfall being blown backwards by strong winds. Catching a deer with an eagle. The moment an elephant gave birth. This breathtaking video of an eagle flying over the Alps. The way this bear stands still until the humans leave. This is what Uber looks like in nature. A caterpillar 3D printing itself a nest. This smooth landing on water. The way this gibbon walks across a bridge. snakes in Iceland. Surfing the waves with a whale. Of rain over a lake. An Eden's whale trap feeding. This adorable spider. This rare couple of hummingbirds. This is what their babies look like if you have never seen them before. A peacock displaying its feathers. The size of this black wolf sprinting down the highway. This baby bird instinctively mimics a poisonous caterpillar when it senses a predator nearby. A silverback gorilla attacking humans. And a possum mom carrying her babies. A confused bird weird messing with a fake cobra. Of this lake in Switzerland. And this was all for today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it put a smile on your face. Let us know in the comments which one was the best in your opinion. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, it would mean a lot to me. And subscribe if you wanna see my future videos. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.